This is Mr. V. Welcome to this video series on location on Earth. This video is going to be on the distance using the meridians. So the rule we're going to use is 1 degree is approximately 111.2 kilometers. And this works for any great circle around the planet Earth. So these are the largest circles we can make, and the only circles we know that are like this are the equator, which goes right around the middle of the Earth, and the meridians, which go from north to south. So this method will work on any situation with either a meridian or the equator. So two examples here. And I'm going to put my rule at the top. So my rule is 1 degree is approximately 111.2 kilometers. That's the rule I'm going to use. And I'm going to start with this example, which is the distance between Auckland and Noumea, which is an island in the Pacific Ocean. So I want to find the distance between Auckland and Noumea. Auckland has a latitude of 51 degrees south. Noumea has a latitude of 22 degrees south. So you can see they're both below the equator. So what we're going to want to do is find the distance in latitude between these 2 points. So we want to find the degrees latitude between Auckland and Noumea. To do that, we're going to take them away. So I'm going to have 51 degrees minus 22 degrees, which of course equals, and I might grab my calculator here just to double check, 51 minus 22 equals 29. So the degrees latitude is 29 degrees. Now to find my distance, I'm going to multiply 29 degrees by our rule, which was 111.2 kilometers. So that's using this rule. 1 degree is that. So 29 degrees is going to be 29 times 111.2. Grabbing my calculator. 29 times 111.2 equals 3,224.8 kilometers. Now let's try that in this situation here. So we've got Boston in the north and Santiago, the capital of Chile, in the south. A similar method. So again, we want to find the degrees latitude. We want to find the distance between Boston and Santiago. But in this case, they're both on opposite sides of the equator. So in this case, instead of taking them away, we're going to add these. So from the equator to Boston is 42 degrees. From the equator to Santiago is 33 degrees. 42 plus 33 is 75 degrees. And then my distance is going to be 75 degrees times 111.2 kilometers, which is, grab my calculator, 75 times 100, oh, that's 175. 75 times 111.2 equals 8,340 kilometers. And that is how you calculate the distance using latitude.